YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? Thank you so much for stopping by. Happy New Year's, and had a haul from Creative Memories that I wanted to share. And before I jump into that, I do want to share a random crazy sale find that I got, and just showing this video because showing it now because I didn't have a chance to show it early on because I hadn't purchased anything. But you know, the turkey skewers that we all see during the holidays, and they had these at Kroger's, and they were $4.99. I happened to go back at the first of the year, and they went on sale December the 17th. Okay, for $1.99 apparently, according to the sticker. I didn't find them, I think, until New Year's Day. And I said, oh, okay, they're not $5, they're $1.99. And I picked up 4 of them. So I said, okay, I just get these. Now, these are smaller, as you can see, than the actual, poke tool that we typically, see, this is like the regular length of the scribe tool that we use from Hobby Lobby, that we purchased from Hobby Lobby, excuse me. You can see the difference. So it's about an inch, maybe inch 2, almost 2 inches, inch and a half. This is, where's my ruler? Alright, so this one is, according to my ruler, is basically 6.5, and this one is 4 inches. So 2.5 inches smaller, but I thought it'd be fun to play with. And this is open, so you would have to bend this or leave this open. You might could bend it with some pliers, but anyway, I got it. I said, okay, I got 4 packs, that's $2 each, yeah, whatever. So I go online and I go into the self-checkout, and it came up to 70 cents, and I was like, 70 cents? And so I don't know why, but 2 packs rang up for 22 cents, and the other 2 packs rang up for 11 cents plus tax, and it came up to 70 cents. So I was shocked. And the stupid part was, I went to the car and I was like, wow, I can't believe I got them that cheap. I said, but they're small. So, I got 8, times 4, I got 48. I don't need any more. So I didn't go back in there. And there were probably another 10 packs. And then I didn't wait to show my scrapbooking buddies because we didn't scrap that day. I think I forgot to show them that day. I didn't show them till the following week. But anyway, and I told them about it, and I went back to go check and to get them some. I didn't know if they would want them because they were small. And no, I did tell them that week. I can't remember what the week it was, but anyway, I did tell them. Went back in, and they were all gone. Which I don't know, maybe they moved them, but I didn't see them. But I just want to share that just in case you find any at your Kroger's, they may still be on sale or clearance. So yeah, so nice way to play around with making some poke tools. For that price, you couldn't beat it. And they fit fine in your hand, even though they're shorter. They still work well. So I just wanted to show you that and mention that to you, especially if you're trying out for the first time making some poke tools. Alright, then I just want to jump into my Creative Memories haul and what I got. So with them, if you ever want to order anything, please check out my website listed below. Questions about anything as well. And I know this year I am going to show you some of my punches. I had a lot of questions about my punches before, like people wanted to see them punched out. I will show that in a video. These are just some of the pens. Of course, these are dual tip pens, and I still have pens from a long time ago from them that still last. And so I just got some of the basic colors, your gold and your silver and your black. And again, these are dual tip pens. So, you have your broad stroke, and then you have your fine point stroke. So, yep. And so I just got those 3 colors. And then I did get some extra supplies. Like, this is another straight edge blade trimmer, and this is a mat for my trimmer. I love our trimmer. It's really nice. It has a lot of features on it, and I can show you in a separate video. I'm going to do some tool stuff to explain them. But one of the things about this, it has a mat, and of course this mat is removable. And one of the things about it is you can take it off and flip it. So you get a longer wear. I just want to have an extra one on hand because, with shipping and stuff going crazy here lately, I'm like, I don't want to get caught without some of my basic essentials. So I did order one of these and a straight blade, which my blade is fine. And then it comes with a lot of other fancy blades that are on the back that I keep right there. And I'm just going to put this on the back so I know I have an extra straight one right there. And then I'm going to put my mat here. And these last are nice. I think I forgot how many cuts they tell you before you flip it over to the other side and get more wear and tear out of it. But I didn't want to get caught without, you know, because everybody is out of everything. Anytime you go in the store, a bag of chips, $5, you know, life has changed. This is the new normal, I guess, even though it's not normal in my opinion. But anyway, so you can hold this in here, which is nice. So I like that everything has little storage compartments, so that way I can keep it with my extras if I need it. I already have mine, so yeah, so cool. So I just want to have that, and we keep a housing in here so you can change your blades and stuff. But I'll show you in a separate video how to use some of the unique features about that. And then we had a promo, and on the promo this month was buy some solid color sheets paper. These are not theme packs. Normally our packs of paper comes in themes, and they come up with the stickers to go along with it and some ephemera. This was just buying some solids, just different colored paper pads, and then you get a free paper pad and some free stickers to go along with it. I got these because sometimes I just want some solid tonal colors, and these are in different color sets. Very simple. And these, all our papers are double-sided, 6-pack of papers. And this is even acid free, so you could actually use this in your papers, like to scrapbooking and stuff like this as well. So these are just some basic purple and blue sheets that can be used in any scrapbooking set. And again, well, I say scrapbooking, but it's not only limited to scrapbooking, because paper is paper. You don't have to use paper for scrapbooking only. People think that's the only thing you can use with creative memories papers, but that's not true. And we have cards and a lot of different tools. But these are some of the borders that a lot of people use. Borders make scrapbooking quick and simple to decorate a page. So that's the purple collection. And then we have totally toned blue and green. And this was a promo, so this is not something that's offered all the time. We're going to do this every quarter. We'll be having promotions on just different paper colors and things like this that are not necessarily in a collection. I like that green. The green was really, I like those colors. And you didn't have to get stickers if you don't want, but I did because it helps. Again, just to pull everything together when you're making some quick layouts. And I have promised to get my kids layouts, as a lot of people did when we got into paper crafting. Still doing all my other paper crafting as well. But I am determined to get more of this done. And I've made some layouts and stuff. And I did some videos, some got corrupted. I've done, oh my gosh, different stuff. And I'm so mad. And this was called Totally Yellow and Green Duo. And I have to do some videos over, I mean way over and months behind. I like these colors as well. Again, just basic colors that you can add to any collection. Again, these are the stickers that coordinate with that, and these are border stickers. And I'll show you in some of my videos how to use those if you want to do some quick layouts. Now, you can get fancy with your layouts, but I'm so far behind. I'm probably just going to make my focus be the picture and my journaling and move on to the next part. And this is the Totally Red and Orange. So you always get an A and a B side. And as you can see, all of the B side has white in it. I like these that have that retro, like 70s kind of look. That's the vibe I'm getting from these. Boom. Alright, so those are those. And then it came with, this is a free paper pad and stickers that it came with. If you purchase that whole collection right there, and you didn't have to, you can get multiples of any one pack or whatever. I just got one of each one, but you had to get 6, but I got all of them. But you could have got, as long as you got 6 packs of paper or stickers, whichever combination you wanted, you would get this set free. And this was a different and unique set of papers. It's 6, but what's happening is a solid color on the front, and on the back it has geometric shapes for you to cut out. And they have some layouts to go along with them to show you how to, when you cut the paper on these lines, and then you can make a layout with it. And again, you don't have to have a lot of supplies to do so. So just showing you that these are going to create patterns, and I will be following those layouts and showing you some of those. And these again, just your basic colors that you know you would use. And here's the stickers that match these colors, some borders to go along with it, and some little word stickers. And these go great with foam dots to pop them up as well. And I love their recipe templates. That's what they're called. And basically they are Mylar stencils. And this one is just so, oh, I really like this one. This one is called Quilted Knot. These are reusable, so you can use them multiple times. You can even use this with, you know, pens to trace, paper to cut out. You can use these with inks to color, to make some kind of geometric shape with in mixed media. So it's not just for scrapbooking. So I get all of them, even if it's a shape I may not see me using right now. But the wonderful thing is they're so easy to do, and makes it look like you did a complicated page. I love the design. So this one stencil can be used so many different ways. They have the arrow here to let you know you can rotate it 4 different ways. You can flip it, all kinds of stuff. And whichever pieces that you choose to highlight to use is going to be in it. For example, this is this design. If you can see that, there is like a star, a square right here with a star around it. And you can use all of these elements, some of these elements. You can make, like right here, it's a 3-piece, 3 triangles. You can cut it into one instead of 3 different pieces. You can take a picture this big and cut it out. So it's so many different things, and they match with our custom cutting system pieces as well. So as you see here, you see how people highlight certain parts of it. They make the square here instead of making it like a knot, whereas right here they made the layout look more like a knot. So and then you can also focus in on just the circle part in the middle. So many different ways. I mean, literally, it's endless ways you get your money's worth of doing so many different layouts with this one. So this one I'm really excited to play with. I have a whole bunch of these, and I've done some before, but I really like that kind of geometric shape. So all of them are fun. So yeah, and these don't last long. They go really quick. They sell out really fast usually. The Quilted Knot. So I get all of these recipe templates when they come out. And then I'm usually I'm a tool person. I have a billion of punches. These were on clearance. So I did get these because they were on clearance. This is what's called the gum leaf. And it has the picture on the side. I like that. So in case you get what it is, you've got it in a bag or stick in some kind of way, you know what it is. And of course you use that to open the lever and to cut that out. This also was on clearance, last chance. Both of these were. So that means they're going to disappear and they won't be selling them anymore. So I went and purchased them. And this is the firecracker. I just got them because they were different and unique. And so that's how the firecracker one looks. And again, same thing. Open it the same way. And they stack. Boom. Just like that on the shelf. So that's the kind of neat thing about that. I love that they lay flat. And they're good quality. I have punches from literally when I started, like 2000, that I have from them that still work. This one is a honeycomb, which I was excited to get because everybody's been on the bee theme. Border punch. So this is a punch, and I will show you one day the border punch and how I use these and how you can make borders with this as well. So this one I'm excited to use. This is, you know, your typical honeycomb. So yes, I was excited to get that. And I know we got one coming in another week that's going to be for baby. It's going to have the onesie on it, but so I'm excited to get that one when that comes in. And this is the honeycomb. So yeah, oh, I didn't need to put that back in there. But anyway, so they were my tools that I got this month, which I love their tools because they're quality. Anyway, so just wanted to show you that quick haul. If any questions about anything you'd like to see demoed, let me know. But again, as always, thank you for taking the time to stop by. Thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.